Aminata Dabo. My name is Sohna. I am the headmistress of Kids Are the One Nursery School. This is an NGO school. Kids are learning here with free education because the sponsors are the one paying their school fees. That's why, as you can see today, everybody wanted to come to this school because of the benefits that they are getting from the school. Paying school fees for 35 kids through our organization. Through that school fees, we are paying the teachers, the one that we employ, those are the head teachers, and then the teachers. We also do the maintenance.
I like going to school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I want to give my child a good education, but the problem is I can't afford it.
I want you to learn because learning is very important. Have a good job, you can help your parents, help yourself. It's very important.